In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable automatic updates on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the launcher icon down in the bottom left corner of your system taskbar and search for settings. Best result, check back with settings, open that up. And then on the left panel, go all the way to the bottom where it says about Chrome OS. And then where it says automatically keep my OS up to date, toggle that on or off depending on your preference, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.